It's me, Promisejury. Today we want to talk about how you can get traffic into your Amazon affiliate link using Pinterest. So we want to see how you can generate traffic from this website called Pinterest to your Amazon affiliate link. This is what we want to talk about today. In case it's your first time joining this Progjurytv, please do it to subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. If this is your first time, you want to sign up, click on the sign up button and you have to fill in your email and the like. Then the next thing you want to know is why do you need to sign up? This is because you want to join tens of thousands of creators, publishers and bloggers who are earning with Amazon affiliate program. Yes, others are earning, so you want to join them because you need money or you want to promote your link too. Then the next thing you do, what do? You need to recommend by sharing millions of products with your audience. They said we have customized linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. So what do? You sign up, you recommend. The next thing is just to start earning, and you can earn up to 10% in affiliate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. And they say that our competitive conversion rate helps maximize earnings. Look at the frequently asked questions. They said, how does the affiliate program work? You can share product and available programs on Amazon with your audience through customized linking tools and earn money on qualified purchases and customers' actions like signing up on free trial program. Then what do? How do you qualify? They said, how do I qualify for this program? Bloggers, publishers, and content creators with a qualified website or mobile app can participate in this program. So you need a website and you need a mobile app to participate in this program. Then secondly, that they said, how do I earn in this program? You earn from qualifying purchases and programs through the traffic you drive to Amazon. So commission income for qualifying purchases and programs differ based on product category. So like I said before, now you can do it to sign up, create an account with them, sign up, then you link your website to them or your app and start making money. You want to believe that you already have an account with them. So let's check the privacy policy with respect to how they pay. Like they say, they pay in three forms here. Look at the first one here. They said option 1, the payment by direct deposit. While the second one is payment by Amazon gift card. While the third one is payment by check. And they have limitations, kind of minimal limitations. Like they said, the payment minimum chart. The option 1 deposit, which is the direct deposit, you are going to send minimum of $10. While for the gift card, minimum of $10 US dollars. While the one of check, you are going to be sent a minimum of $100 US dollars, and the processing fee is just $15. It's as simple as that. So let's get started. So we want to believe that you already have a link with you already have an account with them, and maybe you have a product you want to promote. Because that's why we are here. We want to see how we can drive traffic from Pinterest to Amazon affiliate links. So let's believe this is your product, or maybe this is one of your product, and this is a product you want to promote. You want to sell link to this product so that people can buy from this product. That this product says is Future Slim Indoor Cycling Bike with silent magnetic resilience. So what will you do? You can click on this link, and when you click on this link, it takes you to this page where you can see the product here and you can see the link here. So what do? Go to Pinterest. Go to Pinterest and you see where you are going to upload it to. Like if you open your Pinterest account, just click on the create button. You can click it. You click the create pin. When you click on it, it will show you this part of the website. Then you can just upload the images, fixing your title, put your description. You can upload the images, fixing your title, fixing your description, and putting your affiliate link. So let's take it one by one now. To start with, we want to get a good image for this our product here. So this product here, we're talking about this product. I want to see how I can drive traffic to this product. just come to Canva. There's a website called Canva that you can use to get good images, good pins for your Pinterest. One thing that will really make you to want to use Pinterest is because of the way Pinterest has been generating traffic. Because if you look at this chart, this similar web chart, you can see in the month of March they had about 962 million views. What about April? 990 million views. What about May? 945 million. So they have more than 900 million views every month. For the past 3 months now, it's been regular. So that's another reason why you need to use Pinterest, because you are going to have so much traffic to your website. Another beautiful thing you want to know is that they have several traffic from the United States. Look at it there. You can see the traffic coming from the United States. About 44.12% of them coming from the United States. So you really have a good reason why you need to use them to promote your link. Imagine utilizing about more than 900 million visitors to your Amazon affiliate link. Is going to be interesting. So what do you do right now? Go to Pinterest. Like I said before, if you go to Pinterest, you see a place where you need to upload your image or your pin, as we call it. So enough for you to get a pin, you do it to go to Canva. Canva should be your friend here. Go to Canva and open an account. It's free. You have the free version, you have the paid version, but the free version can do this for you. Just type Pinterest. I already type it here. Pinterest, and choose the pin. You can see the pin here. I'll choose one of 1080 by 1920. When you click on it, it will take you to a blank page where you can now start working from fresh. But I already have one here. You can just come here and click. If it takes you to a blank page, you will not see this here. But you just click on cycling or type cycling. It's going to give you an image like this. Look at the image here. Look at the image here. When you get the image here, click on it. Tap it. Let's tap it right now. You can see it here right now. So what I'm talking about, we want our image to look like the link we are promoting. Let your pins look like the affiliate link you are promoting in Amazon. We want our pins to look like what is happening here. I want to check the content. Let's check the content. Yeah, this content matters a lot. This is content that we are going to make use of too. And if you look at the content, this is the title. Then if you go down, you're going to see the description. Look at it about this item. Look at the description here. So we're going to make use of all these things. So let your title here in this your Amazon design tally with what you have in your title in this Canva design tally with what you have in your Amazon link. You just copy this. Good. So we'll copy, then go to our Canva and click on those fonts there. You click on it, it's not what you can write on. You can just delete those ones there, but those ones are just samples. You can delete them, and put your own. Good. Look at our own now. But the font, the style, I don't like it. Let's come here. I can change it to another style that is preferable, because this business is alright. Okay, so we'll go for this one, every fat face, and see how it goes. So the next thing you want to see is to reduce the size. It's just too big, so I can fit in the picture very well, or the image very well. You can reduce it and type in on the minus button here. It's reducing. So the next thing, I can just take my pin and put at the center. Then remove this one here. We don't need that one. Yeah, this one. As it says, start your weekend by cycling. Okay, it makes some kind of sense. Let's just increase it. Can just drag. But we don't want to start our weekend with cycling. We want to check what we have here. Yeah, what to check here. Let's say we can bring some width, salient. So this one is better. Go there and click on it, double click on it, and paste. I paste on it. Okay, you see it now. Let's click outside. You say with salient. Let's drag it up. I can just make a kind of modification. Let me modify it. Alright, let me open it a little bit. Let me increase the size. All right, it's getting bigger. All right, we can go more professional than this. Because of time factor, I'm just trying to rush it up. So you can, let's check the color. Let's check the color of what we have there. Okay, just a plain background, almost white. Yes, almost. Okay, you can just leave like this. So I just want to see if I can edit this part of it. It looks all right. I think something like this should be fine for us. All right. So let's make it to the 2 feet. So you can just copy something like this. In case you want to have something like this, just click on it. Then you copy. You can come down here again. You can come down here and paste. You can just take this button and drag down. Then you can just change the title there to bike. That bike we did just now. Let's say bicycling. Let's motorcycling for this place right now. Alright, so I want to make this one bigger. Getting bigger. Good. The next one to talk about is this one. Let's get it bigger too. Right. Then this one here, I want to delete this part of it. I want to delete it. So I think we already have our photo, our pin. So what do you do when you are done? You just come to this button here and click on the share button and click on share. Then you come here, you see download, click on download. Then you now see the suggestion will give to you. Either you want the pin or you want the JPEG or otherwise, but we want to go in the pin. PNG. Then click on the PNG, click on download. When you click on download, you can come back to your Pinterest and click on the upload button here. When you click on it, it will upload the image for you. Then the next thing you want to do is to talk about the title here. I had the title here. Just come to your Amazon account again and look for this title. You just copy these titles and add them to this place. Then then what about the description? Get the description here. Come to your Amazon account again. Go to the about. So you just try to make it a little bit to look like a statement, like you must have a kind of a template for this before now. So you get a statement of it, then go to Pinterest again and add the text there. Add the description here. Then what do? The next thing is to get your link. Get your Amazon link. This might be the link of your account, of your product. You can come here and fix the link here. This is the most important part of it. This is why we are here. This link. Try to make sure that your link is what leads you to your Amazon leads you to your Amazon product. So when those from Pinterest clicks on it, or when those from Pinterest clicks on it, you will now be directed back to your Amazon product, and from there you can start making sales. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching once more. Please do it to subscribe to this channel, and I've had other videos that can help you to understand how to drive traffic to other affiliate links. You see the video on top right now. Yes, that's it. So this what you need to do for you to get affiliate links well reached by billions of people from Pinterest. Thanks for watching. Bye.